Hello my dear friends. Today we are making yaki udon. Yaki udon originated in Japan during the 1940s in Kokura Prefecture, when soba noodles were scarce. A local chef substituted thick udon noodles instead of the usual soba noodles for a stir-fry. This gained popularity and evolved into yaki udon, a staple of Japanese comfort food and izakaya menus. Here are the ingredients for making yaki udon. There are many types of udon noodles. We are using pre-cooked, thick, chewy ones found in most shops. We just need to soak the noodles in hot water to separate them before cooking. The most important element in making yaki udon is the sauce. My sous chef will now make the sauce mixture. In a bowl, add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, mirin, sugar, sesame oil, minced garlic, grated ginger, ground black pepper, and chili flakes. Mix well and set aside. Now we are going to prepare the vegetables. Cut the carrot into matchstick size. Julienne the red bell pepper. Slice the onion thinly. Cut the cabbage. And slice the fresh mushroom. For the meat, we shall be using pork belly strips. Slice the strips into bite sizes. Marinate the pork with the sauce mixture we made earlier to ensure the meat will be flavorful.
We would appreciate it if you like this video. Leave a bit of nice comment below. Share this with your best friend. And of course, subscribe to our Plushie channel. And so you won't miss any updates. Hit the ding ding bell too.
With a bit of oil in the very hot pan, stir fry the meat until slightly brown. Add in the mushroom. And the vegetables. Add in the drained udon noodles, followed by the sauce mixture. Stir until the noodle is completely covered in the delicious sauce. So there you have it, my dear friends. Delectable yaki udon you can easily prepare at home. This recipe is good for 2 or for 1 if you are very hungry like Brentwood.
これは私のために作ったんですか？嬉しいな。素晴らしいですね。ありがとう、ベッカー。
Want to thank all my dear friends who contributed through Buy Me a Coffee. Please continue to support my Plushie channel. See you again next week.